just lost her mind right now. So seeing the train, we are seeing only these elephants. Okay.
This looks so cinematic. Wow.
You know, we don't know how much like we can complete the Harry Potter, some kind of a Halloween look.
Oh my god.
Why we stopped here is because few things happened. The thing is, see box, you know, small, colorful, very colorful, you know, settlements there. Huh?
It looks like blocks of colors of cartoon
building blocks.
Yeah. All designs are same. Lego blocks.
Trix is feeling like it's photoshopped. Guys, the sun is set almost. Wow, it's creating a nice visual with the, you know, mountains over there. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. And the sunrays are hitting the road like this. Yeah.
It's like an ombre effect. Like it's dark there and light grey and then full
Like
bright.
our
You can see the sun
even
here.
there, and in the front, you know, it feels like the day is going back and the night is coming from that side, like just like this. You know, it's fading away. Beautiful visual, guys. Yeah, it's just a rotation of the earth. You can just feel the rotation of the earth just by seeing the sunrise and sunset. Beautiful, amazing experience. Wow.
Clouds, look at the clouds. So beautiful.
So beautiful.
Now, this is when you can see both night and day at a time around you. Okay.
Look at the clouds there.
Okay. So this is when you can see both day and night in front of you.
Day
Right
one
side and left side.
You are at the
During
origin
sunset.
point. Day and night in your head, on top of your head. Beautiful visual, guys. I still can't, like, you know, stop watching the sunset.
We used to draw a mountain and on top of that one small
That's the
sun.
real thing.
Actually, it's like that. Now there is mountain also and also the sunset. It's really
You're getting a better visual. I can see the sunrise from that place. I can also see.
Yes, I can see from this window. It's good. So window scenery.
That's a nice location. Guys, oh my god.
What are you doing?
I'm just enjoying the sunset.
You are chill mood.
It's the time for all
And
the humans.
Raish is also, you know, full on
enjoying.
work. She's annoyed. Shri doing.
Yeah.
He's been driving since. Yeah, he's been like, we've been telling him to stop at places. Okay, stop here, stop here.
I'm going to do my work. Whatever happens, you people do whatever you want.
Okay. What is Raish doing?
We haven't given these two people a peace of mind. Like, not.
Yes,
God,
yeah.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Full on work.
God.
We all were eating on their head, right? With this noisy thing.
Okay,
How is she doing?
She's kidding. She's like, I'm enjoying the moment and all. I can feel the frustration.
I feel like I'm going back. She was like, why did I come to travel with these guys? Why did I even start coming to travel with these guys? This is a bad decision.
But she needs to be sweet with us, yeah. So she's saying that. Actually, she's
really
kind
nice.
of balancing both her work and also enjoying. Trying to enjoy the play.
Great, bro, great. Amazing. Guys, wow, the sun is set. Yeah, it is gone. Wow, we just stopped and it's gone. Oh, that's a fraction of a second we was there. Yeah, now everything is so calm and beautiful. Wow, a little bit of sun is left to set. Tirupati vibes there.
I just saw a house with all those Tirupati symbols and all, like all the religious symbols and all. So we'll be soon going to Tirupati and experience, you know, that vibe from Tirupati. Actually,
Do we
We're
get
not
a
going there.
No.
bro, I like it.
Okay guys, we won't be going to Tirupati, we'll be passing by. So let's see what all we can do there. I think we can have food there. There'll be really good food stalls and amazing
I've
never been to Tirupati.
street foods there.
I think they're might be on the way of Tirupati. I think
Yeah.
sunset is done, guys. So
God, come on, Nev! Guys,
nearby, guys.
wow! It's the best place for aliens to land near the river. Wow! So good. And there is a lot of settlements over there. It's still battered place. And also there is a water tank here. I think all these people around this are dependent on this water tank. Yeah. seen a movie. Yeah, like similar colonies of people living in this. Yeah, maybe Vijay or great. Nice guys. So we are on the way to reaching Tirupati and going toward Andhra Pradesh.
Not understanding which side.
Yeah, which side to look.
I have never thought Andhra Pradesh is this beautiful. Only
Really?
now, actually, I'm looking at Andhra Pradesh now. Till now I stayed, but I never like went in depth and looked at plateaus like these mountains. All these
Never
things.
enjoyed the beauty.
Yeah, I never thought this Andhra Pradesh can be this beautiful, man. I would always admire of Kerala. Seriously saying Kerala. And now when I look now, Andhra Pradesh is also beautiful. I mean, every place
Andhra
is
is so
beautiful.
beautiful.
You just have to change the way you look at things. Okay,
Exactly, bro. That's a great message.
Yeah.
And the way of transport also matters. Like before we used to go to buses, trains, and we used to miss all this beauty.
Just
Road trip
sleeping
is
used to
really
be the
fun.
thing.
Yeah.
Also
And
with
especially
friends,
car trip.
it'll be even more fun.
Everything is
Mainly
fun.
seeing the perspective of greenery in Andhra is a mind-blowing thing. I never thought Andhra had this much greenery.
Guys, you guys are from Andhra.
Yeah,
They
but
didn't explore
I
much
feel
more
like
because
kids
only.
never got out of her house. Never seen greenery.
Oh my god.
It actually looks like a little
Yeah, like the way you
there's like
interact, enjoy the every moment and experience everything. No limits, nothing. Just be free and experience.
Wow.
That's it.
That's enough for enjoyment.
Be as raw as possible. That's it. It's getting late.
Guys, here there is a lot of lakes on the right side, left side, and right side, guys. Look at the both sides, just like Kerala. It's just beautiful.
Inside that.
Wow.
Land and lake is like separated.
Beautiful. What?
Tectonic movements of Earth.
What
So
is-
this
lands
is
are
meridian
separated
land.
and Earth is everywhere.
Tectonic movement is that lecture,
Plate
right?
movement, yeah.
That is that meridian
That's
path,
so geographical.
How are you guys doing in the back?
Crushed.
I'm talking like this.
I don't know whether you guys
They are squeezed.
Squeezed.
After they get down, after we get down, we can drink juice out of them because they are squeezed.
I don't think any
Just like
That
mango.
was a psycho joke.
I'm relating it to the mango that we ate in the morning. It's
Oh shit!
If we squeeze too much, we can have the juice.
I miss the mangoes.
being hungry now.
Okay, guys. So here is the road. Where are we? Where are we?
Please take the device. Okay, this
So
is
guys,
our road.
this is the Tirupati bypass.
What is it?
Yeah. So this is not that good road as we going through the concrete road these many times, but yeah, this was the fun. This is a two-way road, guys.
Two-way road.
Yeah, there is no divider, so when you're overtaking, be careful. Wow, this is good straight going. Yeah. Guys, it's a long one. As meanwhile you guys are seeing the train, we are seeing only these elephants, okay? These elephants having mustache. Mustache. Guys, the train is as long as... Wow. This looks so cinematic. Wow, amazing. Yeah, the sunset and the train. And the mountain. Hindi textbook.
I don't remember the story, but the picture is there. I remember the picture.
And there are a lot of factories. There is a lot of that smoke coming out.
Bro, those are not factories.
But the
aliens.
Aliens. Oh my god.
That's good. Yeah,
Everyone is alienated. Okay, guys. So we're turning this. Okay. So this is the Tirupati.
R&B road.
Yeah, R&B road, guys. So guys, on the way there was a lot of police checking. So because of COVID, third wave is going on, there was a lot of police checking, and they was asking us a lot of questions and RT-PCR. So we took RT-PCR from Bangalore and we came. So we all are negative, guys. Nothing to worry about that. So yeah, they passed us inside. So like that, and we also wanted, you know, we don't know how much like we can complete this. We really want to finish this travel trip completely, and we don't want to, you know, end this in between and feel like okay, let's go back. No.
See people
Colorful area.
coming out and
Wow.
doing their jobs and all like.
Guys, everyone is going to their home after the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming back home. Wow, amazing feel,
It's a
guys.
complete different culture.
Yeah, this
in
is
our
like
place.
this is a you know perfect timing for birds and humans. Like, you know, birds
Go back to their nest.
get back to their nest just like that. Everyone, it's just biological clock. Look at the cow also is going back to their home. Everyone. Nev and Trix have prepared a list of things they want to show us in Andhra. So I'm super excited to see all these
At
things.
least the half list we can reach, we can complete.
Wow.
Celebrate it in between
Yeah.
travel. We have shit.
And by the calculation, as we travel this much in 1/4, until
How
this
much will
time,
we cover?
Might be 2-3 days it'll take if we stop like this. So
To reach there.
That's fine.
Guys, to reach our destination, Trix is saying if we go like this, it'll take 2-3 days. My God.
Oh my God.
we might take even more if we are going.
Yeah, the only thing is we want to show you all those places because we have already seen it,
Yeah.
but we want you to experience all those
We
places.
have not seen it.
The same, yeah. You in the sense like who, all of you people, all the audience and also, we want to take you through those places which we felt like you should have really have seen it. But let's see how long we'll go, how
Yeah.
far we can
But the bright side, I think, I mean, even though maybe we might not be able to cover all the destinations such as, but I think these offbeat destinations matter a lot
Yeah,
more. And it's so
actually, yeah.
fun and nice. So I
Yeah.
hope you guys
Even
like,
before, like,
enjoy the same thing.
When I go trips with the family and all, we used to go like tourists there, like going to a place and just
Uh-huh.
enjoying.
Particular tourist destination.
Yeah, but this is
Yeah.
like on spot.
Yeah.
What situation test in lift? Like and you attempt and you come back with the experience. It's like
And
that.
really
It's so
excited
like
to
a
see
lot
all
of
the
life.
it's not the place where you go with whom you're going. Like I don't say
It's the
That matters
journey.
a lot.
Yeah, I don't say.
So guys, we have a long way to go. That is a summary of everything. So guys, it's almost night and we park our car here. We took this into this drive-in. So this is the NH here. So we were on the way and we just stopped here for dinner. So why we stopped here is because few things happened. The thing is, when we were coming and we thought of having a street food area which was near the road. So we just thought of having tea. Yeah. So only me, Drix and Lit came out. So we came out and we thought, okay, we'll have food or like we'll see what is there. So we came out and we asked them, okay, what is it? And that time one truck person came and they were questioning us, okay, what is this? Why is your hair colored this color and all
the way
this?
they speak and the body language is not in a good way.
Yeah, it's not at all. It's very, very mistake.
It was very bad.
Very bad. So we knew it. Okay, this is not not right, and we were ignoring it. Okay, fine. Anyway, we are not involved. We just quickly will go to the car. After this, we'll drink and we'll go.
And
Okay,
then
and then again,
two more
bikes came.
person came.
And they were also like the
Same way.
Same way, guys.
Asking all
Same
the
way.
questions and all
So
this.
by
It's
this
like
time,
also-
what happened was the car was there. We were actually behind them. The
Yeah.
car was front. So
these people
Zoe
were
and
inside the
Resh
car.
came out, and also Shri also came out, and Zoe and Resh came out and asked like, okay, what do you guys
they
ask?
really
They questioned really
badly
well.
to them.
And those people just scoot like anything, man.
just left from the
yeah,
spot.
and they also saw Shri and they were like, okay, they
I
just
think
left
they
the thing.
They thought only we are girls and
Yeah,
they
Yeah,
started
they
three of
just
us.
thought only 3 of us are there, but when they saw the whole team,
Yes.
there was a lot more. They were really scared.
Yeah.
So guys, if you're facing such challenges, stay together, stay as a
Stay
team.
strong.
Yeah.
get
Then
many people as possible.
Yeah.
All your friends, everyone
Just
together.
be careful
Yeah.
and
Be together.
just be careful
strong.
because this NH and everyone is here. Zoe is here, Resh is here, and Eo is here. We all dropped in for breakfast. I was telling them the. So guys, we also want to use toilet. So watchman told it is there.
Yeah.
So this is actually a really good place. So that is the one thing. The reason why we actually thought of not using any very hash posh places and just go to street foods and all those things. But because of this reason, we thought okay, safety issues are there, and you guys Because of this safety issues, we thought, okay, you know, we'll drop in this place. This is a family restaurant. Everyone is here. It's crowded also, so people can't do anything. You know, miss.
I thought Nev is missing, so we were all like searching, but we got her. I think she's just outside.
Okay, God, don't give me heart attacks. Already going through.
Washroom with camera?
No, not at all.
Okay, where is the washroom?
Yeah, it's over here. Guys, it's a really beautiful room. Bathroom is having a really good lighting setup. Wow.
This is better than restaurants.
Yeah. Guys, it's really beautiful, guys.
Okay, guys, only one washroom.
Guys, it's a really special night. Look at the moon. It's yellow in color and it's so down. It's not even this high. It's so low. And it's full moon, guys. Such an amazing special night. And here we have everyone sitting in like
Moonlight dinner, guys.
moonlight dinner.
Yeah.
Enjoying the dinner.
Enjoying the dinner, waiting for biryani. EO especially.
You're disappointed.
Guys, EO is very EO is very disappointed. There is not much tea stalls in Andhra.
Yes, man. What is
And she's really pissed because
Bro,
even in restaurants, if you ask for tea, they don't have.
there is no tea also.
Expectation versus reality.
and she's having headache right now because of lack of tea.
Oh my god, this is
No,
addiction,
guys.
bro. This is
Maybe traveling.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're perfect.
Come on, you have to drive.
Yeah, it's addiction. Tea addict. Our tea addict.
Addiction effect like this.
Biryani or tea? Which one would you
Which one would you prefer?
Tea.
Biryani. Tea. Oh God. That's addiction. that's a symptom of addiction, guys. Guys, it's a beautiful setup they have done for us. Really beautiful, guys. Look at all the surroundings over here. It's a beautiful palm tree, and also the setup is really beautiful, and we are sitting in front of it. Amazing, right?
Very nice.
We got this table customized
Especially
for
the
us.
food. Yeah. This is one table, three
Uh-huh.
they combined and set up
They
for
made
eight.
And never have the direct view of the moon.
Yeah, yeah. It's moonlight dinner, man. I'm gonna eat and look at the moon and then eat.
Guys, our plates are here. We are all really hungry and waiting for biryani. Just gonna attack it, okay? Nothing else.
Our plates are here.
Okay, guys, biryani is here, so I'm gonna taste it.
Actually, good biryani.
It's
Get the curries also. Side
wow. So, guys, the chicken biryani. It's chicken biryani, boneless chicken biryani. Wow,
Let's taste it.
wow, it's having a really good aroma. Can't say.
Yeah, here's the onions and lemon.
How's it? Good?
Yeah.
You want some onions?
It's good. Actually, Andhra biryani have special taste. Kind of Hyderabad. I don't know. It's actually nice.
Yeah.
It's not like what we get from there.
Actually,
I really like it.
biryani is special dish here and it's good. Like they make this like a basic proper dish, so it's fine.
Wow, guys, this is a special. We asked them like, what's a special here, and
I'm very much hungry. My control went, guys.
wow. Otherwise, you would have. Actually, you is a person who have a lot of control. Okay, I'm telling you. Actually, yeah. She diet like anything.
Oh my god.
When we diet, we be like, in the end of the day, we be like, okay, we'll compromise. Yeah. But you stick to her diet, man.
But sometimes my control will go, guys. You never know that.
Here, guys.
Nice.
Kadai chicken.
Kadai chicken.
That's it. Okay. I think it will be very spicy. After seeing it, I can see that it's very spicy.
Wow,
It
guys.
feels spicy.
Capsicum and
I think even the
taste how
biryani
it
has
goes.
some nice spice.
They have different kind of. Now we are getting the real Andhra recipe.
recipes, Andhra meals, Andhra biryani. Wow, guys, amazing. Ouch, it's so hot. So, guys, we just finished the whole dinner. Okay, we are super filled. We didn't know we'll be full this much, right? Nev?
I had a lot of food. I'm completely full right now.
We were feeding her like, Nev, have this much food. You should have chicken.
Had a lot of food and had a lot of chicken. Yeah.
Everyone is super full. Linda's the last one scoring. Last one scoring.
As always. She's a slow eater, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Yeah.
That's good.
actually having it slow, not
Yeah,
like us.
guys.
We'll fit in car right now.
That's what I was about to say it.
Very much full, guys.
Very much full. I don't think we'll go off after this, but it's
we'll
a
sleep like
very good
anything
meal.
now.
Very good dinner, super tasty.
Yeah,
The biryani was
My
amazing.
dinner with water, and then we'll go back and we'll start our journey.
Yes, we didn't get
And
the
then we'll be reaching tomorrow Vizag.
Yeah.
And we'll be exploring a lot of places.
Wow, guys, a lot to explore. Andhra, we just reached here. We need to reach all the way here. You know, we just reached here. A lot more to go. Till EO's head, we have to go.
Yes, head is having headache.
Yeah, head is very much heavy.
She needed tea. Yes, that's the point.
I'm not sleeping during the night.
Wow, guys, we're so full. We're going to get the bill, and there is also a lot of ice cream shops here, but we are super filled, and I don't think we're gonna have anything else apart from this. Okay, and our car is right here. It is fully lit up like this. Look at how beauty. I think after this long travel, it's gone a little bit dusty and all, but yeah, we'll wash it once we reach there. Okay, guys. Wow, such a nice place, है ना? So how much possible we'll drive, after that we'll halt and we'll, you know, just sleep somewhere safe, and yeah, we'll again restart in the morning. So that's a plan.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll exchange EO, Zo and Shri.
Yeah, we need to drive because
Yeah.
it's long, very long. Like tomorrow evening, I
But
think
your
afternoon.
specialty is night drive, right?
Yeah.
Because
See,
Is night.
yeah,
she loved night drive, but look
I
at
did
it.
like all night without sleep.
Guys, last time when we came to Vizag, we didn't actually notice a lot of these things.
Because
But
it's
this time
night.
it's really different.
Like straight repeat.
It's actually
Yeah.
Stop
night.
anywhere. It's just like Bangalore, Vizag. Like
Yeah, which is straight
like a
there.
long
But this is
drive.
really fun, guys.
This is shopping. We are exploring a lot of things. We saw today.
Yeah.
Last time was the same when we didn't see this
That
kind
was
of things.
I think it was tiring, and
Okay.
I don't know, the previous incident was a little not I
Sure,
don't know,
yeah.
we were a little not sure about that. But I think, I mean, yeah, when all of us are stuck together, I think things should go
Things
well.
should go well.
Yeah, but now I'm just like all ears open. I'm like, okay, hopefully nothing goes
Nothing
wrong.
will go
Yeah.
well. But you
otherwise-
did great, bro.
But
Yeah.
otherwise, I think all of us, I mean, all
Guys, they, Zo and Reshma supported us really well during that thing. We were really tense. We were like, what the fuck is happening? Why is these people acting like this?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
never experienced anything like this, and it was like okay.
Yeah, we actually knew, okay, this is wrong, but you know the act when they saw the whole when they saw Izzo and Resh coming and Yo coming, Nev coming, and they were like really shocked. Oh my god, these many people are there.
This kind of situation.
I think that
There
does
is
make a
group
huge
and-
difference.
Yeah.
I think traveling in groups does have its benefits
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah. So-
Okay, guys, our bill is here. I think it's gonna cost us a lot. We'll be, you know, going fasting for another 2 days.
You can first. I don't think any of us can.
Yeah, we'll make you fast. So guys, it's night and everyone is here. Yeah, we just had biryani and we're so full and it's so tiring. You know, feel like sleeping somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see the road. Guys, it is such a, you know, long route from here. It's around like 177 kilometers. You know, then it's that long NH it is. Okay.
Nellore Highway, guys.
Yeah, this is the Nellore highway. So this place is Guduru, right?
Yeah.
Guys, you can see the thickness of this night. It's so
night.
yeah. So guys, see, it's all trucks are parked in the right side, I think.
It's a petrol bunk.
So guys, what we are planning is if we are very sleepy and can't handle this, we'll park at a very, you know, safe place somewhere
and
and
a lot of tents, so we
Yeah.
can use them.
and we'll sleep there in the car or in the tent or somewhere. So that's the plan, guys. So it is, I don't know if you guys can see the lights of other lorries. So the whole, you know, night, the thing is there will be a lot of trucks. So this whole place is like a truck. You just need to, you know, race like this. You know, one
Oh my God.
truck and after that again see the another truck and another truck. It's just like that. Yeah.
Overtaking the truck.
Yeah, and night drive is so fun. You should talk about night drive with, you know, Eo. Where is Eo?
Yo, please.
Guys, backbenchers are sleeping.
Yo, not
She's
it now.
gearing up for the next ride.
You guys have the light on it?
Guys, backbenchers are sleeping. Let EO sleep like at night. If
Yeah.
Shri you want to take a break?
I think.
In case there is a
Yeah.
break, she has to be the backup
Yeah.
for driving.
She's our backup, so we're charging her backside.
just like GoPro battery, we are charging you.
We are charging EO.
Until at least
Oh my God.
You know, once you want to start, you need to give tea.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Okay, don't disturb.
Okay, guys, our journey is going on. We don't know what is gonna happen. It's a very long route. You know, it's endless. When you see, it's endless. So, guys, we reached the next stall. Oh God. Okay, so this is. Where is this place?
This is
Guduru only.
This is
Guys, all the dolls are really beautifully built. I don't know why they built it like very beautiful. Why? Any reason, guys? Like dolls are really beautifully built these days.
yeah. These days or this place like.
No. Generally, like
No, I think
Because of
people
Corona,
to travel
everything
more.
stopped, na?
Ah.
So they are doing that maintenance.
Okay. So,
Say that.
guys, here you can see
Maintenance. You can say.
they because of Corona there is not much people, so they're doing the maintenance of this toll booth. So it's under maintenance, right? Structures are there.
Yeah. They are redesigning.
Redesigning.
Renewing the whole toll plazas
Okay.
with paint, cement.
So you know, every time after a toll, there will be this trucks parked in the side. Do you guys have any idea why that is?
I think drivers take this as a place to rest or stay night and again
because
start
it's
in
a
the
big
morning.
road. Okay.
Yeah, so I think they will also get the permission. I guess I'm not sure from government.
Probably, yeah, it's something to do with
Yeah.
permissions.
Yeah,
Guys, when we started this, you know, like this trip and road trip, when you think about truck drivers, how they go on, like might be these trucks are coming from, I don't know, might be Kashmir, might be some other part like
In
you know,
between,
Punjab.
Trackway is there. They
Huh.
can park there and
Yeah, so in between there is this in NH, in between there is this truckway where they can park. Not this, I'll show you once we reach there. So they can park and they can sleep there. So all these facilities are there in NH. That is a specialty. So guys, think about truck drivers. They are doing a great job. You know, bringing us vegetables from different part of the country to here. It's amazing because it's very tiring, guys. Traveling is a very, very huge task.
yeah,
But yeah, are you guys enjoying it?
yeah. Right now, no much problem. Like
Uh-huh.
enjoying and chilling out and then exploring, experiencing. So once we start doing things and you know experiencing things, might be next.
How is Ish? How are you, bro?
I'm feeling it.
And it's a very, you know, high risk for us to go because there's a lot of things happening.
Yeah.
Police and a lot of outside people are also, you know, so we have to manage a lot of things, locals and all those things. So
I think this is going to be a
yeah,
challenge, guys.
very
but
big challenge. I'm also tensed
Yeah,
very much
And
how
right
this will
now,
go.
This night we are going to stay on road.
Uh-huh.
So don't know.
So that's
lot of
another
people
thing,
will be
yeah.
there, yeah, like
Like
not
how-
expecting. Not we can't even expect what happens when.
We'll hopefully find a nice
So let's
place.
see, guys, how it goes. It is so exciting. Shri is not at all excited. Wow.
He's completely into work mode.
Yeah.
He's having back-to-back calls and all, so he's busy with that. We are
Highly ignoring us. Okay, guys, in this side there's a lot of lights and resorts and all those things. Okay, bye bye resorts. We are going to opt for, you know, sleeping in car.
Tents.
Tents and cars, yeah, obviously. So guys, in the front the road is long as long. Long as the word long, right?
yeah.
Wow, there is bus services, guys. Okay. There
I'm
is.
surprised even now there's
Uh-huh.
not traffic.
This is traffic.
Yeah, I mean it's on the highway. I don't think we've seen this.
Guys, see the trucks have parked and they're taking rest. Nice. I think we can also park somewhere safe and just take a nap, right?
Yeah. Or
And
we can
get
take
back.
turns, yeah.
Or,
Anything once.
So guys, if stop for a coffee. Okay, we need to find a very like if there is any nearby coffee shops because there is literally no shops out there. If you can see, it's just road and some vehicles and signals out there, but there is no shops. So if we find shops or anything, we are going to have coffee and refresh ourselves. Okay. So guys, if you can see, this is a lot of traffic is there in front of us. A lot of big trucks. Not able to, it's just like one route, just one way. Guys,
reality.
today it's full moon. Yeah, we might find vampires and
Oh
like
my god, we found aliens
werewolves
already.
on the way.
Aliens.
Come on, why not? If you guys are talking about aliens, I'll talk about vampires. And
Oh my god, we have vampires around us.
okay.
Oh my god.
Put the light on.
Oh my god.
Off that.
Oh, she has
bring
got
up
a
light.
torch. Okay.
So we have this torch. It's
you're
really
showcasing your
look at
torch
the
now.
vampire eyes.
Oh my god.
Do you think it's vampires? No.
Yeah.
I should be having the vampire teeth. No.
Okay guys,
I'm not having that bitch.
let's see the moon. Where what happened? Okay.
Let's
the
look at
moon.
the back seat. What is happening with the torch? Okay, guys.
Everyone is
Everyone is off.
This is
overexposed.
down.
Very
overexposed.
We are charging EO, so I'm not pointing the torch.
Don't
at her.
disturb her.
This is the
Disturb
charging
rescue.
slot, guys.
Sleeping.
Backbench is the charging slot. Everyone should
You
come
can't
here.
charge all the day. You have to use the charge. You can't charge all the day.
Literally sleeping.
Literally completely sleeping 24/7.
Disco night.
Gray just lost her mind right now.
I'm irritating everyone. I don't want anybody to sleep today.
Except for you.
Okay.
EO, yeah.
Only you. We need to. Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm going to switch this off. I think other vehicles will have issues.
Yeah.